warning light on the Renault Kwid. You'll see that it's coming up, it's orange. It's on the left hand side of the screen. I'm actually taking this footage by phone. This has been a problem for some time, but we've been ignoring it and it's getting worse. So this is my wife's car, and the way this car is driving, it's actually a bit dangerous because sometimes it just cuts off the fuel injection and it makes the car jump, or sometimes car engine will shut down completely as you are on first or second gear. So I'm going to be replacing the pedal. I'll show you the pedal as soon as I get home. Thank you.